Hello everyone, thank you for joining. My name is Arun Ramanujapuram and I'm the CTO at Logistimo. Today I will be talking about how we can empower people bottom up in public health supply chains, especially where there is no culture of data recording and data use, and achieving good data quality and supply chain performance is really challenging. Logistimo enables supply chain and logistics in resource constrained supply chains. It offers three major capabilities: supply chain management, cold chain monitoring, and transportation logistics management. It is built on a principle of bottom up empowerment, which we will explore in this talk through concepts as well as through a demo. We enable a variety of mechanisms to collect data, be it through mobile devices or web based applications or telemetric devices. All of this data is validated and processed on the server using big data analytic engines, and the insights are delivered back to users in ways they can consume on devices they can consume it on. This way, every stakeholder in the supply chain, from the first mile to the last mile, are connected and empowered to make decisions. Logistimo is active in more than 6 countries and has been able to achieve high impacts, both high availability as well as good data reporting rates that have been sustained at scale. Logistimo employs three service design principles. One is to empower people by improving their self efficacy, where they can achieve good performance by only adopting capabilities according to their capacity. The second is to raise awareness through information in a redundant way, where notifications about supply chain risks are delivered in a timely fashion and to all the involved people. It enables stronger social engagement by connecting people across two echelons more effectively through conversations and social networking mechanisms like likes. Overall, it's a complete supply chain toolbox with various capabilities working together and providing rich interactive application endpoints for people to engage in. Going forward, we will try to illustrate some of these concepts through a demo. First, we will actually look at how a health worker at a facility can manage inventory through a mobile phone. You are now looking at a mobile application that the health worker has logged into. It enables management of inventory, orders, and assets or cold chain equipment. Under inventory, one can view stock or enter issues, receipts, stock counts, discards, or returns, and also view all the transactions. On entering issues, one can see a category of all the products, and on selecting a category such as emergency drugs, one can see the list of materials along with the stock. Can select a material such as BCG and enter issues by batches along with the VVM status and save this information. And like this, you can enter multiple products and submit that information. One can view the temperature of a cold chain asset such as a refrigerator as well as its working condition and review the alarms associated with this equipment. In a similar fashion, a health worker can fully manage all their orders on the phone, be it raising new purchase orders, tracking shipment status, or the batches that were allocated, and even fulfilling the orders on receipt while noting any discrepancies that may be involved. Recalling the design principles outlined earlier, it seemed important not just to empower the health worker at the last mile, but also the district supervisor or the manager and establish a stronger connect between the two. So we will now look at the Pulse application that the district manager would use to monitor performance of the supply chain in the district. Pulse application primarily surfaces good performance events as well as critical risks in the supply chain to the district manager. So the risks in the supply chain could be like stock outs or expiry of stock. So for instance, if we drill down into the stock expiry, we can then see where all the stock has expired as well as be able to see which materials have expired across the district. The application also surfaces consistently good performance, such as good inventory performance, good asset performance, good data entry performance to the managers. The managers can review them and like them, and the like notification is sent to the health worker. This in turn increases their motivation as well as improves peer motivation to perform better. There are also several dashboards on the web application to monitor stock performance at all levels, be it district all the way up to national. But given the short time, we will not go into these details. You can always contact us for more information. Thank you for watching this demo.